Hey everyone, in this video I want to show you how to supercharge your social links into one link like this. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notification. It really helps me and the channel grow, and I really appreciate all your support. This is a great way of sharing one link to your followers or audience, and this will then lead them to a page of multiple social links to different platforms you're on. To begin with, let's open up your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Now type in Linktree in Google search. Click on the first link, which is linktr.ee. Click on Get Started for free. Fill in your details with your email, username and password. Then agree the T&Cs and then press Sign Up with Email. Now on the next page, enter in your full name. Select the 3 categories that best describe you, then complete the verification. Then press Continue. On this page, you'll be given 2 options, free or pro. With pro, you need to pay as you get more customization options, while free, you'll get very little customization. For this tutorial, I'll show you how to do it for free, so click on Sign Up for free. Now check your email and you'll receive a verification email. Click on the link in the email to get yourself verified. Once you're verified yourself on the email, sign into Linktree and it will then take you to the main admin side of your account. At the top right of the page is your link to your Linktree. This is what you will give to your followers. At the right side, you have a preview of how it will look like on a mobile device. On the top left is all your configuration link to your Linktree account. In the middle, you'll see all your links which you add. Click on Add New Link to add a new link. Enter in the title. So for example, The Simple Dad YouTube channel. Now enter in your URL, which will be youtube.com/thesimpledad. After this, you can add more links to your Linktree page. As you add more links, you should see it appear in the preview page at the right hand side. Now click on Appearance, and here you can change your profile picture, your profile name, and add more bio information. If you scroll down, you can also change the theme. Since this is a free account, you need to avoid anything that's labeled with Pro. Next, tap on Settings at the top, scroll through the list and check out the different settings you can tweak. Some will require a Pro subscription. Within this settings page, you can even add a sensitive content warning before being able to view your profile. If you scroll all the way down, you'll be able to add all your other social links. Now let's have a look how it will show up on a web page. And this is how it will look like on your mobile phone. Clicking on the links will take you to your social media page. And there you go, that is how to supercharge your social links into one link, which you can now share with your audience. My name is Karthik and you're watching The Simple Dad. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.